Hi guys, let's talk about XCN crypto real quick. A lot has changed since our last XCN update video. The truth of the matter is a lot of investors are angry right now. You can tell from the kind of comments they are dropping on the post XCN dropped a couple of hours ago. They are not like in good position, I included. Like the market hasn't been funny at all. The overall altcoin market has been in a steady downtrend. But in this video, we're going to be looking at some of the important macro news and also important indicators that could be signaling that we are approaching a quantitative easing, and also which is likely to trigger the ultra bull market we all have been waiting for in the market space. If you're going through some of the comments under this Onyx DAO official Twitter post, which was posted a couple of hours ago, if you're going through the comment section, it clearly shows that a lot of investors are angry, a lot of investors are bearish on XCN, which is understandable considering the overall altcoin market situation at the moment. You get. Now, this individual said XCN is an absolute disappointment. Now, this one said we need Binance listing. Too difficult to post the AMA on X. This one is asking a question about the AMA they had. And then this person is like more like making fun of the XCN post, which talked about the Goliath mainnet, right? Yeah, this person is saying, is it Q2 2046? That is more like a mockery, you get. And when Moon, great. More to come. Like some persons are still like very bullish on XCN coin, and I am still bullish in as much as it's not easy. Like watching your portfolio drop -60, -70% is not easy, but we're left with no choice than to hold on to our bag and wait for the massive recovery to like begin. Now, if you're paying attention to the XCN chart on the daily time frame, the current price as at the time of making this video is 0.011. And if you're paying attention to the price performance on CoinMarketCap in the last 365 days, after taking almost all 2024 to like consolidate and refuse to pump, XCN eventually got a breakout to the upside. It broke out massively that it shook the entire cryptocurrency market. In as much as the price is down from the previous high we had this year, we are still like up 337%, which is massive if you ask me. You get. Although our current trading volume has dropped massively, we are currently at $44 million in trading volume. Market cap is currently sitting at $386.6 million. If you're paying attention to what the the total tree chart is saying on the daily time frame, you get to see that XCN coin is having the same price chart as that of the total tree market cap. The total tree market cap is the entire altcoin market cap excluding BTC. So that is to tell you most altcoins are having a similar price movement pattern, and this price chart is a clear falling wedge, and a falling wedge is usually a bullish signal, a bullish chart pattern. That is the same thing XCN coin is forming. This is a clear falling wedge, and even if we were to like fall down further, I think we are likely to get a massive bounce around 0.0084 for the XCN coin, and that bounce is going to like shoot us past the previous high we had a couple of weeks ago, which was around 5 cents. Most of the altcoins in the crypto space are having the same chart patterns, so there's no cause for alarm at all. Sooner or later, we are going to get a massive reversal to the upside, and the excitement is going to like return to the XCN ecosystem. Hold on to your horses very well. Whatever I say is strictly my own opinion and should not by any means be regarded as financial advice. But if you really want to like, if you really want that massive return on your investment, that 10x, 5x, 20x, 25x, 30x, 100x, then you have to be ready to pass through the thick and thin. You have to be ready to like hold, even when the market is not giving you a reason to hold. There's no point selling at a loss at the moment. For me, there's no point at all. I'll just have to like continue holding. If you're paying attention to the XCN liquidation heat map on the monthly time frame, you will notice we have most of the XCN liquidity to the upside. The liquidity heat map is not indicating any liquidity to the downside. That is to tell you that the price is more than ever before positioned to rally to the upside than to the downside. That is what I can clearly see on the liquidation heat map right here. We have more liquidity to the upside, liquidity to the upside, upside, more upside liquidity and zero downside liquidity. You see? So that's what I'm saying. Let's pay attention to what the BTC dominance is saying. Now, this is the BTC dominance. The BTC dominance on the monthly time frame is still holding up well. We are here to get that massive retracement we all have been anticipating for. And let's not forget that Powell said, and I quote, yesterday, that we have cut the QT, which is the quantitative tightening, in half. Like he said, they have cut the QT in half, and they will approach the quantitative easing level slowly. Now, the quantitative easing phase is the phase where there's going to be a lot of liquidity injection into the entire cryptocurrency market and also the stock market. Now, what am I saying in essence? The QT reducing from $25 billion per month to $5 billion per month is expected to begin in April this year, 2025. And I think this is signaling a gradual shift, in as much as we are not fully in the phase of the quantitative easing yet, but this is a welcome development. And I think this is signaling a gradual shift towards the quantitative easing. Quantitative easing comes with more liquidity and lower rate, which is bullish for the entire cryptocurrency market and also the stock market. We are yet to get fully into the quantitative easing phase. But one thing is certain, the money printers are getting ready to start printing aggressively, which is going to be very, very bullish for our altcoin holdings. Now, when this news came out of the Federal Reserve cutting half the quantitative tightening, BTC rallied very, very well, leaving most of the altcoins behind, because we are still in the BTC season. It's very unfortunate, but we are still in the BTC season. The moment you start seeing the BTC dominance is currently at 61.63%. We have 11 days, 10 hours for this monthly candle to close. The moment you start seeing the BTC dominant correct or dip massively from this resistance area, that is an indication that we are gradually making our way to the altcoin season, where our crypto portfolios will start pumping aggressively to the upside. Until then, we just have to sit on our hands, cross our leg, just watch what the market is doing and not sell at a loss. Also, invest the amount you can afford to lose, because anything can happen in the crypto space. Nothing is guaranteed, please. You all should be wise and invest wisely. As always, my name is Isaac. Peace out.